So hey, welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name is Tori. I'm a personal trainer, a middle school teacher, a mother, a wife, all those good things. So it's been a few months since I posted a video, but I've been trying to get used to this new schedule that we have in school, and also trying to figure out a schedule where I can consistently post on YouTube, and also, um, dealing with my son, taking care of my child. I love him, so I like to spend a lot of moments, especially since I spend 12 hours with other people's kids. I love to spend my time with my son. So now I'm just trying to get this schedule together on what can I do to bring you more videos. So in a few moments, I'll show you the video that I'm coming to you today with. This video is home band workout video. So I was noticing in my last video that everything that I was doing, you have to have the equipment in the gym. I had bars that you can just really, most people won't have them at home. And what I want to do with my YouTube is make it to where these are home videos. These are for everyday moms to do when I got a commercial on TV, when a baby sleep for an hour, because Lord knows I'm trying to get as much stuff that I can get done in an hour while my son is taking his nap. So my videos from now on will be home videos. They will be either done in the balcony, in my parents' garage, in the living room of my apartment. But with the home video, the only equipment that I will require someone to use is bands. You can get the bands from Amazon. You can get them from Academy. I know I have a mixture of both Amazon and Academy. I know my handles that I have for them, I got them from Academy. And then some of the bands, my light bands, are from Amazon. Some of the heavier ones, I had to go specifically to Academy for the best price. You can use dumbbells. 5 pounds are good if you're trying to do a lot of reps, but me personally, I prefer 8 to 10 pounds. I try not to go past 8 to 10 pounds for beginner workouts. I can typically do more than that, but for me, I'm just trying to firm and tone all of these nice muscles. So I'd stay with 8 to 10 pounds. Also, you can get some foot gliders to do on the carpet if you want to do leg workouts on the carpet. And what else would I need? And medicine balls or kettlebells, whatever you prefer, whatever weight you prefer. So with this workout, we're using bands. So once again, I'm using a medium band this one was from Amazon. And then also I tried to use these 5 and below resistance band for one of my workouts. And it was just this thin strip. It said it was heavy weighted. It was honestly so thin and so light. I don't even want to use the light and the medium bands. I only want to use the heavy bands. It don't add much resistance to anything. So with that, that band, I would not recommend it from 5 below. I would pretty much recommend like their dumbbells and stuff like that, but not resistance bands, none of that. Maybe their jump ropes. and then another thing that I got for that was a mat. So you can see my pretty pink mat. I love pink. The pink mat that I have on the balcony is from 5 and below. So if you have not seen my last video, go ahead and check it out. You can get some of the workouts to do on your own in the last video. And also subscribe, share my video, send me comments, feedbacks, all of that good stuff. Feedbacks. Send me a feedback and all of that good stuff. I would love to hear how you all feel about this video. So I'm about to go ahead and play the video.
First, I'm showing you the bands that I have in my hand. The first one is from Amazon, and this one that I'm stretching out is from 5 and below. The first exercise we're going to get into is bicep curls. So this video, of course, is sped up to be like 1.5 times faster than what it really is, but I'm going to show you the front and then I'm going to show you to the side. I actually do this very slow because I like to get the most out of my exercises. We really want to just, I really don't want to hit those fast twitch muscles right now. I really want to stick with the slow twitch muscles, muscle fibers. So then after the bicep curls, I will move on to the tricep extensions. So what I'm doing right now is trying to figure out exactly how much resistance I want on there. You can adjust that with your foot, and you're just gonna lift your arm forward. You're just gonna push your arm forward, extend that tricep. Once again, this is fed forward to go a little bit faster than what it normally is. So we do this 12 times each arm. And then next, I will do band side reaches. So I really want to do something to activate my abs. Most of it is just the side, not much on the front. Well, after I had a child, my abs are kind of funny on the side. I got little love muffins. So what I'm doing on this, I'm just figuring out exactly how much resistance I want on it again, and I'm just stepping on it to hold that resistance down. And then I will reach over at the same time. I will pull my side over. You're using mostly your abdominals for this. Also, it works the shoulder a little bit. The next exercise is squat presses. So when you're doing this, you want to make sure most of your weight is at the back of you. And then you want to make sure your knees ain't going too far over your toes and your heels are on the ground. As you come up, you will want to press your arms up so you can work your shoulders a little bit. So I do those 15 times. So the last workout I perform is the side lunges. For these, I use those 5 and below bands that I really don't like. They kept sliding up on my knees. But with this exercise, I stretch as far as I feel as though that would be beneficial to me. I'm very flexible, so I will not go all the way down. And I will do these 10 times each. And for all these exercises, I will perform them either 2 or 3 rounds until fatigue whenever you get tired. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Subscribe and come back and watch again. Thank you.